Good morning, my people. It's your boy, and I have good news to you. My new song Nenda will be out on 10 p.m. So, what I want is total maximum cooperation. Just support, like, share, and tell your friend to tell your friend that Gampo is releasing his song. So, if you have not subscribed, then do it and keep supporting. I will appreciate your support more much. What I want is your support. Keep streaming, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. If you see this short, then tell your friend that Nenda is going to be out. This is an heartbroken song that is written by me and is performed by me. So keep supporting my guys, and I'll be appreciate your support. Have a blessed day as we enjoy Nenda.